Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just unboxing the USB port to micro USB port. So in this video I just unboxing USB to micro port. So let's begin. So here you can see this is our main product packet. So I just open it, and here you can see this is our cable, this is USB port, and this is micro port. So you can connect any kind of USB devices here and then connect with micro port. And so in this way you can take a connection with USB device with micro device. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.